Model, 67-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 1.6 CDTI BT, 125, S long wheelbase, factory crew cab no VAT. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 169992. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6125 PS BITURBO S, SC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Starts and drive brilliantly, no warning lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors, aircon. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.